Have you ever had a different answer than your friend? Today's word is about not thinking the same way. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is disagree. Can you say it with me? Disagree. Let's spell it together. Ready? D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E. That spells disagree. Disagree means to have a different opinion or not accept the same idea. Here are some words that mean the same as disagree. Say them with me. Argue, like going back and forth about which game to play. Clash, like teammates wanting different rules. Differ, like one friend liking pizza and another liking tacos. Oppose, like voting for opposite choices in class. Object, like raising your hand to say, I don't think that's fair. Each one shows how disagree means having a different opinion. Now let's look at the opposites of disagree. Agree, like everyone nodding yes to the same movie. Accept, like saying, okay, that works for me. Approve, like giving a big thumbs up. Concur, like saying, I think the same thing too. Support, like standing by a friend's idea. Note, these words are the opposite of disagree. Here's a great example. Sofia disagreed with her friend about which game to play. But they listened to each other and chose a new game together. Quick check. Disagree means to have a different opinion or not accept the same idea. Synonyms: argue, clash, differ, oppose. Object: antonyms: agree, accept, approve, concur, support. Disagreeing respectfully shows you value others' opinions even when you don't share them. Here's your challenge. If you disagree with someone today, explain your reason kindly. Bonus points if you listen to their reason too. Nice job disagreeing respectfully, you shared your thoughts with kindness. Keep sharing your thoughts, word explorers. See you tomorrow for another Word with Word Up with Sofia.